everyone. I hope you all are well. I'm Shruti, your maths teacher. So, first of all, I want to share one story with you. Have you listened about Abhimanyu? Yes, वही अभिमन्यु जो एक चक्रव्यूह में फंस गया था. क्या आप जानते हो वो क्यों फंस गया था चक्रव्यूह में? Yes, because उसने रूल्स फॉलो नहीं किए, या फिर आप ये कह सकते हो कि उसको रूल्स का नहीं पता था, जिसके कारण वो चक्रव्यूह में फंस गया और वो सारे चक्रव्यूह को नहीं पार कर पाया. इसी तरह सिंप्लीफिकेशन हमारा टॉपिक है. इसमें भी रूल्स है जिसको हम बोलते हैं बोर्ड मास, और अगर आप इस रूल्स को फॉलो नहीं करोगे तो आप क्वेश्चन में फंस जाओगे. इज दैट क्लियर? और आपका आंसर नहीं आ पाएगा. इज दैट क्लियर? सो फर्स्टली वी विल डिस्कस द रूल्स एंड यू हैव टू फॉलो इट. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ सी, फर्स्ट इज आई हैव रिटन हियर अ बोर्ड मास. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस B? B means bracket, and bracket has three types. First is round bracket, square bracket, and curly bracket. Okay? O. O means off. Off means multiply. Next is D. D means divide. Next, M. M means multiply. A. A means add. S. S means subtract. So we will follow these rules. Then definitely we will get the accurate answer. Okay? Now this one is clear? In bracket, first you will give the preference to curly bracket, and in curly bracket, if round bracket is given to you, then you will solve the round bracket. Afterwards, you will be solve the calculation according to these rules. Now, first four rules: bracket, off, divide, multiply. You have to follow it sequence. Okay? Plus and minus you can follow like integers. Integers chapters we have done now. So you can follow your integers chapters from plus and minus. If same sign is given to you, then we will add minus minus plus 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 plus. If opposite sign is given to you, plus minus 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 plus minus. Okay? So from plus minus we will follow the integers. We will solve like integers chapter, and first four rules you have to solve it like sequence. Now let's start the questions. Now look at your first question. 27 divided by 3 multiply 4 minus 5. How you can solve it? First of all, look at the signs. Now in this line, firstly we will solve the division according to BODMAS rule. Firstly we will solve the division. I am writing here B O D M A S, bracket, off, divide, multiply, plus, minus. Now see, what will come firstly? From this row, divide is coming first. So first we will divide it, then I will get 9. So divide it and write down the answer down, and other statement you will be write down as it is. Multiply 4 minus of 5. Is that clear? Now we will check the second line. Now in this line, what we will follow? We will follow the multiple sign according to BODMAS rule. So 9 into 4, it is 36. So minus 5 you will be write down as it is. Now 36 minus 5, we will solve it this one line. So you will get 31. So 31 is your answer. Is that clear? Next is 18 plus 10 minus 7 multiply 32 divide 1 by 3 of 24. So how you can look at this line and look at this rule. So firstly, which rule we will solve it? We will solve it. Which sign we will solve it? We will solve it of. Bracket. Bracket is not given to you. So on second place, of is coming. That's why we will solve it O. So write down other statement as it is. Or you can say that write down rest of the numbers as it is. Up to division. Now 1 by 3. Of means of will be changed into multiply. 24. So if is there any cutting, then you have to cut. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. This one is clear? So write down here 18 plus 10 minus 7 multiply 32 divided by 8. Now we will check this line. Here is plus, minus, multiply, divide. So which rule we will solve it? Which sign we will solve it? Divide. So write down rest of the numbers as it is. So 32 divided by 8, it is 4. So now we will check this line. In this line, what you will solve? Multiply. Right? So write down the other numbers as it is. 7 fours are 28. Now we will check next line. 18 plus 10. So solve it this one. Then you will get 28. And minus 28 you will write down as it is. So 28 minus 28, it is 0. So 0 is your answer. Okay? Now look at the one more question. Now look at the third example. Here is 9 plus square bracket, curly bracket, 2 of 35 divide round bracket 3 plus 5 minus 1 close the curly bracket plus 15 minus 2 then square bracket. So I have already told you bracket B means bracket which is round bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. So first of all, look at here. In this square bracket we will solve the curly bracket. Okay, but in curly bracket you have to give on a राउंड ब्रैकेट. सो ब्रैकेट के अंदर ब्रैकेट्स आपको गिवन है तो हम सबसे पहले स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट को चेक करेंगे, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट को हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं और उसके अंदर कर्ली ब्रैकेट है तो हम कर्ली ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. लेकिन कर्ली ब्रैकेट के अंदर फिर से एक ब्रैकेट है, वो कौन सी है? राउंड ब्रैकेट. तो हम पहले किसको सॉल्व करेंगे? राउंड ब्रैकेट को. सो राइट डाउन द अदर नंबर्स एज इट इज. 9 प्लस स्क्वायर 2 ऑफ 35 divide, solve it round bracket, solve like integer. 3 plus 8, sorry 3 plus 5 it is 8. 8 minus 1 it's 7. So close the curly bracket plus 15 minus 2 and close the square bracket. This step is clear. I repeat, I have solved the round bracket. 3 plus 5 it's 8. 8 minus 1 it's 7. So now in curly bracket what you will solve? Of. According to your board mass rule, firstly of will come. So 9 plus square bracket curly bracket 2 multiply 35 divide 7 close the curly bracket plus 15 minus 2 and close the square bracket. So now multiply, so it means of we have to solve it. So 9 plus square bracket curly bracket 35 into 2 it's a 70. Divide by 7 close the curly bracket and 15 minus 2. This one is clear. Now in curly bracket what is given to you? 70 divided by 7. So 9 plus, we will solve it this one, it is 10. कर्ली ब्रैकेट रिमूव, पहले हमने राउंड ब्रैकेट रिमूव की, देखो साइन उसका रिमूव हो गया. अब कर्ली ब्रैकेट धीरे धीरे हमारी कर्ली ब्रैकेट रिमूव हो रही है क्योंकि हम उसको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. सो 10 प्लस राइट डाउन द अदर नंबर्स एज इट इज. सो 9 प्लस 10 प्लस 15, 25 minus 2, sorry, here is a 2. So it is 9 plus, solve the square bracket now. Bracket is coming. So 25 minus 2, 23. Now add it. It is 32. So this is your answer. Is that clear? Look at the fourth question. 91 minus square bracket 22 minus curly bracket, in curly bracket 16 divided by round bracket has started 39 plus 3 of 3 minus 40, cross the round bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. Now see, according to your rule, firstly we have to solve the bracket. But which bracket we will solve it? Here is round bracket, we will solve it in the curly bracket. In the curly bracket we will solve the square bracket. Now rest of the other numbers you will be write down as it is. So 22 minus 16 divided by, now we are solving round bracket, and in round bracket which sign we will solve it? Firstly we will solve the off according to your rule. So write down the other numbers as it is. So 3 multiply 3 because off will be changed into multiply. This step is clear. Next we will do the multiply of this number and write down the other numbers as it is. 16 divided by 39 plus 3 into 3, it's 9 minus 40. Then solve the integer. 91 minus 22 minus 16 divided by 39 plus 9, it is 48. 48 minus 40, it is 8. So see, round bracket has finished. Now we will solve the curly bracket. So 91 minus 22 minus 16 divided by 8, it is 2. Now see, your curly bracket also finished. We have already solved. Now we will solve the square bracket. So 91 minus 20, it is 71. So whenever you will follow the rules, you will find out the correct answer. Is that clear? So page number 67. Try these questions. Okay. Rest of the questions you will be try, and if you will get any doubt, we will discuss in the class. Otherwise, I will send it to you by PDF. So thanks and have a nice day.